Today you'll take your vocabulary quiz for week 3, quiz number 3 in language arts. Be sure to put your name at the top of the page and put your class number up there in the upper right-hand corner. Here are the words that will be used on your tests today. I'm going to read from left to right. Horizontal, drench, ruthless, vertical, shun, clarify, arduous, resident, obsolete, and back up to row 1, we need bliss. Okay, number 1, this is a noun. It means great happiness or joy. Number 2, this is an adjective. It's a word that means difficult. Number 3 is an adjective. It means out of date or no longer in use or fashion. Number 4 is an adjective. It means parallel to the ground or at right angles to vertical. Number 5 is an adjective. It means straight up and down at direct right angles to the horizon. Number 6 is a verb. It means to make something clear or understandable. Number 7 is an adjective. It means having no compassion or pity, being cruel, being merciless. Number 8 is a verb. It means to wet thoroughly or to soak. Number 9 is a verb. It means to keep away from or take pains to avoid. And number 10 is a noun. It's one who lives in a place. For numbers 11 to 15, you need to choose 5 vocabulary words. Please choose wisely. Choose the ones that you're sure you correctly match the definition to. And then write each in a sentence on the back of this paper that shows that you know the meaning of the word in context. Context, which means you use the word appropriately, not that you put the definition in your sentence. Make sure you underline your vocab words in each sentence, and be sure that you have capitalization at the beginning of the sentences and punctuation at the end.